It is so dusty. All right, we are going.
Shoes are so dusty.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. Look. Gross, gross, gross. Okay. All right, we are going right now
Here's another farm.
to show you what, Lawson?
The chickens.
Yeah.
These chickens over here, there were some up in a different coop, but they moved those down here, I think. And these chickens are white and they are egg-laying chickens.
Yeah, we
So
always.
almost every morning, they'll come out with baskets. They will spray their spells with bug spray, and they will open the door with these all these baskets, and they'll all get the eggs.
Yeah, they get the eggs out, and we buy our eggs from the Moses Project.
Yes.
All right.
Is that Angel?
Hola.
Hello.
¿Cómo estás? Look at these beautiful white chickens. I don't know. I don't want to go in there. Let's see. And so we have these chickens. Okay, and they lay their eggs. And these are the eggs that the Moses Project boys eat. The cooks here use them every day, and we also buy our eggs from the Moses
I
Project.
can show them an egg.
Why? No, don't go in there. This is what they use to feed them. Don't go in there. Oh, hi, chicken. Hello. Aren't they beautiful? They're so clean and white. Oh, and apparently they need music to keep them company. Oh, there's some eggs right there. Awesome. Okay. All right, that's the chicken coop.